Most people rush their meals without realizing the impact. Eating too fast makes digestion harder and delays the signal that tells your brain you're full. This often leads to overeating and discomfort later. When you slow down, your body digests food more efficiently and absorbs nutrients better. You also feel satisfied with smaller portions. You don't need to change what you eat immediately. Just change how you eat. Small adjustments like chewing properly and taking pauses can quietly improve digestion and overall health over time.